Who's the funniest? Messiest? Best dancer?
World champion.
What's wrong with you?
World champion.
Most competitive?
Definitely.
Naughtiest child?
Definitely.
Most likely to play a prank on the other one? Most likely to get the other one in trouble?
This is the theme, eh?
Who's most likely to get in trouble with mum and dad?
Joe learned from all my mistakes. Like I would get everything wrong, always get into trouble, and she'd just go, "Oh, well, I'm not going to do that," and just be this little angel.
I stuck up for you though. Even though like you used to do wrestling moves on me and stuff like that, and it really hurt, I'd still be like, no, it's okay. Stuck up for you.
It's annoying, that was ridiculous.
Most likely to be late?
There's no way I'm late.
Who's the best cook?
Oh, well, I can't cook
I
at
can't
all.
cook. I can do poached eggs.
I can't even
I
do that.
can make a 3-course meal because I can. Poached eggs to start, pasta with some cheese sprinkled on top for the main, and then a pop tart.
Poached eggs, pasta and Pop-Tart.
Yeah. It's the pea diet.
Everyone around Joe's house.
Who's the best at PE? in school?
Although I did do
No,
the hurdles.
don't even start.
I
you
did the
probably-
hurdles.
No.
Smartest at school?
He got loads of A stars. I got 1.
I'm clever, you are.
Who's going to come out on top in Burnham 2020?
100%. 100%.
Who won the ball against each other?
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah, you only won it when I'd left.
Huh?
You only won it when I left.
Yeah, but you only made one final.
That's because I wasn't in it as long because I was busy winning the world championships.
Yeah, you only made one final in 3 years.
And
So
finally, who's
which
the
means
greatest?
which means 2 of your series you didn't get there.
Yeah, well, the third
Yeah.
one I won.
Flash in the pan.
Yeah, you took
One
ages.
hit wonder.
You took ages to
One
win.
trick pony.
Finally, who's the greatest?
Do people still know who you are? Like when people watch this video, do they know who you are? This is my sister Joanne. 100 years ago she won the glitter ball
Oh, you're such a div.
and hasn't been seen since.